Okay, for the last time I'm going to be using the number 5 round brushes for the stem. I haven't yet done the 3 coats on the green leaf, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the stem, and that's real quick. 1 stroke, a little bit of brown paint. Okay, what I like to do is I like to go the opposite side of the leaf. 1 stroke, boom. Okay, it's really all there is. Just 1 quick stroke with light pressure. You can put a little bit of a curve on it if you want. Whatever kind of stem. Nature isn't perfect. Your stem doesn't have to be perfect either. Okay, ready? Boom, stem. Okay. I'll do 3 more coats of the green. I probably won't do any more dark coats of this stem. I don't think it's really necessary, but I'll do 2 more coats of the green, and then we're moving on to the chalkboard. Okay,